See, I'm gonna find this crap. You know, Facebook is something else. Facebook is a punk. Can see? I'm gonna send a comment. Oh, there it is. Just pop up our thing. Our thing about let's see what it says. So during this podcast, you can support my page by sending stars and digital gifts and help me earn money. People are so annoyed when Facebook put that up. Yeah, they be putting angry faces on it and stuff like that. Like how we put it on it. They're always
it's an automatic thing.
Yeah, they always put it up angry face bunny. Like what I'm supposed to do to it, huh?
I'm on no. Supposed to be angry?
Yeah, it's supposed to be mad. You put an angry face on there. But you see, it's about money.
I have no control over that.
Exactly. Once you monetize, why the lighting look. We need a new thing here, ring light.
A new ring light, yeah.
Because this ring light being acting up, it's going in and out. Maybe they need to really send somebody.
Maybe. I guess. You're right. We're broke.
We need a new
ring
ring
light. Money. We're broke.
We need a new ring light up in here. This ring light This ring light is acting up, y'all.
And we're broke.
Yeah, it goes in and out. Yes, make us dark, make us light, all kind of weird shit is been doing.
Sometimes when you come close to it, it makes the camera look one way. Then when you move,
we need to work on the ring lights.
We need to work on
it. Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Good night, Wagwan kings and queens.
Wagwan kings and queens.
Come in, man. Come in, up and come in. Come take a seat. We're gonna eat something tonight. Yeah, we have something to share with y'all tonight. Yes.
Melissa, Wagwan, Pinky K.
We're not gonna live on a hungry belly tonight.
No.
We're gonna feed on her. Yeah. We're gonna feed on up on the life tonight. Yes.
Can I give you a little something?
We're gonna get something. I could see people them who are all way up. Nalissa. Nalissa, first time seeing that name. Hearts of love to you, Queen. How you doing?
2 year.
Yeah, 2 year, but is it your first time commenting? Because it's, well, you know, a lot of times we be doing things and we not paying attention.
To the comments. It's Queen, Wagwan.
It's Queen, what a guan. We love you too, Queen. Thank you for loving us.
Wagwan. Good night. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday.
Or whatever it is.
A Tuesday night? Oh, yeah, Tuesday.
You almost made me question.
Right, no Wednesday.
No.
A Tuesday.
Yes. Oh, see, she said no, it's not her first time.
Oh, it's not your first time commenting? Okay, Queen. Yes, because sometimes we do praise and worship and it's hard when you're trying to dance and this and that. And, you know,
and other times we are chatting whenever. Yeah. We're not always pay attention to the comments.
Yeah, we need to pay more attention.
Yeah.
Make sure we see Janice. Yes. Hi, Janice, Queen. How you doing, Queen? Big up yourself. Happy Tuesday night. Wagwan. Up and come in. We have some stuff up with sleeve tonight.
Patricia, Wagwan.
What else is new, huh? Patricia, Wagwan.
Nobody now get no ping. We're not.
You watch us all the time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, people are having issues with getting their ping. We have no control over it. You know, we wish we had a way of telling you how to fix that, but it's a Facebook thing. Yeah, and a lot of people are complaining about that, not getting a ping. Yes. Hope everyone is doing okay. We hope you are doing okay, Patricia.
We're good. Hope everybody's doing well.
Yes. You know that we don't waste any time when we come. Yeah,
No.
we just get to where we get to.
Just do what we have to
Who miss it can go back to the beginning of the life
and watch it again.
catch up to it, because we don't wait for crowd around here.
No.
You understand? We just do it thing. Yeah, we're speedy. Without no patience. We need to work our patience. Yes. Without no patience.
None.
Don't whatsoever.
We just want to get to the point.
Suzette,
Wagwan.
Forrester, good night. How you doing, Queen? Pick up yourself.
Lorraine Manning, Wagwan.
Lorraine Manning, how you
They have
doing?
to just unfollow and refollow. Okay.
That's the advice we've been giving everyone. It worked for some, and some people it doesn't work for. Because Vanilla did that, and it still didn't work.
No,
yeah.
and I've done that with quite a few people. I even tried it with Auntie, and it doesn't work.
You're at work watching us, Melissa.
I hope you're having
Are we saying your name correctly? If not, forgive us, all right? We're not good with names. Well, I hope you're having a good night at work, yeah?
Yes.
Yes,
hope we're making night at work a little
easier,
better.
yes, a little better, yes. Watching us on your, whatever you're watching us on, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Hope we're here to cheer you up tonight with a little bit more, you know, happiness in your work night. All right,
She said
work
it's
day.
okay.
It's okay. Work is okay. It's always okay, and we can't wait for it done, right? No, you can't wait. No matter how much you love it, you just can't wait for it over.
For that free time.
Yes, I understand, Queen. I got you. Yeah, don't know what's up with my Wi-Fi. Kiss my teeth. Oh no, we're having Wi-Fi.
She said, or it's Facebook.
It's gotta be Facebook. Yeah. Who knows, yeah?
She says she's doing good.
You're doing good.
Glad
to hear that. We love when folks are doing good. Yes? Especially our kings and queens.
Yep.
So, guys.
Beverly Wagwan watching from work also. Okay.
Beverly, happy work night. Hope you're having a good night at work.
Stush,
Boutique, how you doing?
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Still under the weather.
Vanilla is still under the weather, still a sniffle, still a sneeze, still a cough, all of that. Yeah, my husband, he has a sinus infection. He's getting over it now, though. When this time of the year and the weather starts changing, the pollens outside, he gets really bad sinus headaches.
I've had this now for over a week, so.
Yeah, so. I don't need to catch whatever
no,
it
you
is
don't.
you have. You understand? The name of Jesus, back up.
Karen Phillips, Wagwan.
Charmaine White.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Night, loving that platform.
Thank you so much.
Platinum blonde, Vanilla.
Thank you.
Go on with your bad self. Yeah, she's just bad. She just change up and change up and change up.
You never know what might be
Sometimes
next.
Sometimes she come ring my doorbell. I'm like, who are you?
What you doing, my friend?
Yeah, I'm like, who you be? That's how she be.
Andrea Wagwan.
Andrea, yeah. Andrea, big up yourself.
Thank you so much, Suzette.
So here what, guys, it's our first time ever that we're gonna be trying the famous Miss Birdie Bun.
Woo,
yes, we finally, I'm not big on bun and cheese. Forgive, I'm just not a big fan. Vanilla is. So maybe because of that, you know, during Easter time, even back home, I was never into the bun and cheese thing. Me we eat the fish, the fried fish, and the bread. That was my thing. But I've heard so many good things about Miss Birdie Bun, and I wouldn't stop. I said this year I'm gonna try it. Even if I'm not Easter, me I gotta get one.
We're gonna get it.
So this one came to us straight out of Jamaica. Yeah.
Straight from yard.
Straight from yard, and them never left without the cheese.
We got the yard cheese.
We got the yard cheese. This is the cheese. $665 for the cheese.
Yep.
But you know something, people? It's cheaper than up here.
Yes,
if you calculate it, if you do the exchange rate, it's cheaper because me see slices of cheese like this for like $7 in at the farmer's market. Yeah, and in the store. So it might sound like a lot, $665, But in reality, it's not that much. It's probably a lot for, you know, some people. But in comparison to the price, what we see up here, it's not bad at all. Sholas, big up yourself. Desna, what a one. Melanie,
well
love
done.
you too, Queen. Big up yourself. Karen Phillip.
Say a long time she not catch a live.
Long time you not catch a live. Where you do sleep on way? Sleep on way, Queen. Where you do sleep on way? So we are gonna try the famous Miss Birdie Bun. Yes, and me's not a bun lover, so I'm so curious to try it. I'm gonna tell her the honest truth. Yes?
Hey Marlene, what one?
Marlene Levy, what a go on, big up yourself. I'm gonna bust the plastic over it. We're gonna examine it because we hear some people talk on the internet, say the bun up. Some here. So we're gonna see if they will one bun up. You understand? And then never know. So it'll come to we. You understand? No. So then I have no reason to try to turn down the oven because it'll come to chocolate and vanilla and pay extra attention to this one. Nope. No. You understand? So we are gonna take it out of the box. Yes? Shanice, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Shanice. We're gonna take it right. See, it'll come right out of the box. Yes. Me not see no bun panny. Me not see no bun up panny. See? And like me said, they never know say a wheat a come to.
No.
Huh? See?
Look nice.
It look, me can tell you, it looks sexy already.
Yeah.
I hope it tastes as good as it
look nice and
oh my God, smelly. Smelly.
Even when we can't smell, we can smell that.
Oh, you're not sleeping? I'm Karen, all right. So she not sleeping.
Okay,
yes.
okay.
So we have our plate, our knife, we come prepare.
Yeah.
Yes, because I'm so dying to try this bun. Yes? Yes. I mean, I want to come talk, say, if me say it good, because my auntie, an ambassador for them and blah, blah, blah. Me give you my honest opinion. Because me as a woman, me not going to eat nothing if it not taste good to me. Me not care who you be. You understand? Yes, man. Me not care who you be. Yeah. Me I go chew one time and then me not chew no more. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Sandra Clark, well done.
Sandra Clark, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Sandra Clark. Big up yourself. Alright.
Alright.
You want me not to eat the back of the bun? Because I don't eat back of bread. I don't eat back of nothing. Yeah. So you want the back?
That's fine.
That's fine with you? Okay. My thing with buns, guys, why me is not a fan of buns, me not like the things them what them put in there. You see, fruit business.
Oh, you don't like the fruit?
Me is not a fan of the fruit business, yes.
Odessa, well done.
Yeah, me is not a fan of the fruit business. So, me not like I eat nothing or anything in I eat. Me like things to be smooth. You understand? But, me I go try and see how the one you go. Yeah? It don't have a lot of fruit, you know, overloaded with
like
fruit.
overloaded,
you ever go and see some of Easter bun, them overloaded with fruit.
Great.
Me can't, some people love it that way, and me's not a fan of all that fruit. Yeah? Danette.
Say I love the back.
You love the back? You love the back? Okay. See, me is not a fan. Neither I bread back. And then when I eat bread too, sometimes I peel off it.
The crust?
It yes. Alright. Big slice. Use a bun lover.
Use a bun lover.
So me know a slice can never be too big for
no.
you. Yeah, she love a damn bun and cheese. Yeah. She love the bun. Me I go give you no piece, man. Hold on, man, and stop rush me. Me I go give you no piece. Hold on.
Be patient.
Be patient, man. Me I go give you no piece. Hold on.
Good things come to those who wait.
Yeah. Patience is a virtue.
Yes, man, you eat bun with wheat.
Yeah.
Patient, well gone.
You go take a bite with me and everything. Where you go wash down yours with milk?
They say then hit the middle, then love the back.
But don't eat the middle
either.
Oh, so much say, and I'm me alone. I'm just a weird person, I guess. Yeah? I'm just weird like that.
I love all eggs.
Vanilla no matter how much slices of cheese. Vanilla just take your sandwich. You see, because me is not a bun lover, me just gonna take one slice.
Can you cut it in half for me though?
Okay, well, me can just try a piece of your own then.
But I have the bun back.
Okay, oh yeah, take you while I take a piece of, yeah, me should I bring my next plate?
That's alright.
I love the round part of the bread. I love the round part of the bread, not the middle for me. The round part, the back piece. You love that? Not me.
I don't love lots of fruits in my bun either.
Yeah, I mean, when me I eat the bread, me pick off a brown part around it, yeah? Yes. Me pick off a brown part. Depends. Sometimes I will eat it, sometimes. Most of the time I will pick it off. Yeah? Alright, one little slice of me. Because me, like me tell you, me is not a bun person. Yeah, especially with all them fruit here when me see I come out of it. Lord Jesus. No, sir. Alright, let me hear what I'm saying. Make sure you leave my slice. Me have your slice. Me have a slice here. All of honor. You understand? All of you guys. So here's my slice here. Make a cut in a two. Make a tiny sandwich. Alright. And we're going to go in at it and tell her now. Go in at it and tell her now. Now we can deal with the cheese. With bread. Yeah? Or a bread with piece of avocado. I might think that. Yeah. And fried fish. Yeah? Let's do it.
Alright.
Alright. Let's do tell her now. Hold on. On the way down. Let's do tell her now. Wait now. I'm not till she yet. I'm still not tasty yet. Fion, good night. Show me need an extra piece. Okay? Like that with color. Who for one? Vanilla? Vanilla? I must you. What I know?
Roxanne, what one? It might be yours.
Wow.
Your way.
I don't know. Anyway, thanks. Good evening, Roxanne. What I done? So I say we are biting. Oh my goodness. It's delicious. It's soft.
Moist.
Moist. It's moist. It's moist. It's not too sweet like the other buns. When me try it, it's not full up of too much fruit. It's very, very good. Very nice. Me not lie. Me want the cornbread now. Anybody out there sell the cornbread? Not Jamaica. Anybody in the US have the cornbread? Yeah?
It's nice, man. It's nice.
It's nice, man.
It's very, very moist. You know, sometimes you get the bun and it's dry. And you feel like you have a choke. It's moist.
You don't need to even drink. Not with the bun.
No.
It's that moist and good. Oh my goodness. Me love it. Me love it. Me will eat it again. Me will eat it. That'll be my Easter bun. No. Because me couldn't take the other bun them with a whole heap of fruit. And it's sweet.
This is sweet.
This is nice. It's not dry either. You understand? We just want one next like a thin slice. You understand? To make sure. Me love it. Just one next like a thin slice to make. Just to make sure everything Jamrock goodie. Jamrock, me need cornbread. Me need some cornbread, some Miss Birdie cornbread. Because if this tastes so nice, you can imagine. What else Miss Birdie have? Come like me need a whole grocery shopping over Jamrock. Yeah, what else you have over there for Miss Birdie?
Yeah, man, we're gonna send you peas.
We're gonna send you peas. Which part you there? If you're there at Jamaica, don't ask me if you send your peas, because I wanna have a good Miss Birdie bun down
UK.
there. UK?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna send it all the way in UK. Crackers. Oh yes. Them have crackers too. So Miss Jamrock. Miss Jamrock goodie, me gonna need some groceries. You understand me? I gonna need the cornbread. Me gonna need the crackers. What else them have? Cinnamon roll. Yes. So me need how much cornbread we're gonna need? How much cornbread we're gonna need, Vanilla? Jesus. What place we order? What should I find here? Where place we order?
At least like 4.
Vanilla gonna need 4 cornbreads. Me gonna need 4 cornbreads. Anything but me can make vanilla out to me. 4 you gonna need, me need 4 too. Anything she gonna take, I may take 2.
Oh, I was counting for me and you, but okay. 2. 2 then.
2 y'all get?
Yeah, because I was counting 4. 2 for you, 2 for me.
Oh. Me gonna need 4 for myself, because me know Mike I go want to take with my cornbread. Yeah. So that I gonna be 6 cornbreads. Let's see what them I say. Alright.
Rock cake too.
Rock cake? Rock cake.
I don't know rock cake there.
Rock cake. What rock cake? Rock cake. Rock cake. Rock bun? You talk about rock bun? Rock bun and rock cake are the same thing? Wanna tell me? Because you don't make me feel like me a foreigner. Wanna come talk about rock cake. A rock bun, me hear them say, at Jamaica. She have no jackass con. Miss Birdie have no jackass con.
What the heck is jackass con?
Me will show you if she have it. Miss Birdie have jackass con too. You don't know what jackass con is? Coconut bread is good too. And what you say? Jamrock, we're gonna need a coconut bread too. Send we bill. Text we bill. Right here? We're dead serious. Text we bill, text we bill.
She said rock bun.
And we will text you our address. Yeah? Jamrock, go there. Somebody tell her. Where place we order. Right pan here. You snooze, you lose. You understand? That's how it work. Missy one queen. Miss Laurel Guy Gibson Wagwan.
Laurel Wagwan.
Latoya, Missy one queen. Missy K. Dean, Missy one queen. Go on the website, chocolate. Go on website. So me sit down here waste my time and harder. Me not think somebody did that take me harder. Huh? Go on website. Which
web? Jackass Con, very good.
Jackass, she have Jackass Con? Big up yourself, queen. Listen, we there here eat Miss Birdie Bun and it's so delicious. Nice. We want some more of our products. Because if the bun is this good, we assume that everything else is amazing. The bun is who said we star? Miss Laurel, thank you so much. Thank you for the stars. Althea, good night.
Althea. Napo Miller.
A piece up. What piece up? Who did I piece up that time? Nobody piece yet. No piece yet.
No website.
But me there a place the order, me think say somebody there take your order. When me go up on website now, me forgot everything. What we there chat about? What me for order? You text them to Jack. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Melody.
Yes. We want it. She have banana chips though. We come for groceries. She have banana chips too. Miss Birdie carry banana chips. Men I like the St. Mary's banana chips.
Hey, if you guys haven't tried
Good night, Verna.
If If you guys haven't tried the Miss Birdie Bun and Cheese, you need to try it. You have to try it. It is good.
It is delicious.
I love bun and cheese. This is really good.
This will be your favorite now.
My favorite, and moist. Sometimes you get it in a dry. And you feel like you have a choke.
Our Easter one, them were full of whole heap of fruit. Every bite you take about 2 dozen fruit in a one bite. Like Master Baker own. Remember the crackers? How much banana chip you need? How much? Okay, banana chips. How much we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. About 6 of them.
More 4.
Jesus Christ, you just take away one of them. God.
Oh, okay. All right. We'll do 3 and 3. 6.
6. Yeah. Jesus. Just take away one of my banana chips. Good night, Jennifer Gooden. Me not like St. Mary banana chips. Me go down to Jamaica and buy 1 whole bag of it. And it got to waste because I never like it. You know they sell in a bag, whole heap of them. Me go buy a whole big old bag with whole heap of them. And it got to waste, me don't like it. 24 banana chips. Are they come in a bag?
Oh.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So guys, alright. I'm tired for eating front of them. I feel like I'm mean and I eat and I not get none. I feel bad for you, so I not eat this a nice bun. So I'm going to stop eat. I feel bad so I can't share a nice bun with you now.
Yvonne, what on?
Good night, Yvette. Good night, Yvonne.
Good evening, good
evening. I feel like I'm mean. And just sit down and watch me. Let me take one more bite. You don't forgive me. You hear? Look on the mouth and run water. Oh. Take a bite with me. Take a bite. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marvin. So guys.
A nice one, a nice and moist. But I like.
Nice and moist. I tell you. When I try rub it in, you know that I know the motor run water. And I wash it down now with some water. One other drink with it. One other drink with it. Tell me, milk? Milk?
My first time trying the bun was this year and
nice, it's true. We're not lying. We're not lying. Me would sit down here and eat 2 slices if me never like it. Me then tell you, me's not a bun person. Don't vanilla.
True.
I'm not.
She doesn't like it. Me love it.
She's a bun lover.
Yeah.
And trust me, me enjoy the bun here. All Easter, you not find me go buy no bun. Me will buy the fish, me will buy bread for substitute for the bun. You know the hard bread?
Me buy it.
I eat it with cheese or fried fish. Yes. But me can't see myself I buy this. I mean I like to know. See me more order. Miss Mobile's right. Big up yourself, enjoy. Thank you, Maxine.
Thank you, Maxine.
So guys, we brought back the sandals them tonight.
Yeah.
Because this is what we're gonna do, and we're gonna select a winner this weekend. All right? You enjoy to show me, and yeah. And I brought an additional sandals to give away. Yeah. So, me glad say between me and Uno, 71 people per year. Me glad say I just Uno left. And then come off, then things say it's just all about the bun, so them run gone. You understand? Because them jealous, them bad mind way for Miss Birdie Bun.
That one.
Because when they, you know, them greedy one, them run off and left, because we need to share with bun and give them none. You understand? So them run off and thinks that's it.
All right, then done.
Them gone. But for the people that must stay back, we're going to tell them some secrets. All right, on ready? Listen. between we and the one them, the one that we can curb their appetite and watch we eat, and then mouth now run the water, and then now bad mind for Miss Birdie Bun. Me glad on not stick around.
Thank you
for sticking
Thank
around.
you for staying with us.
Thank you for staying. The greedy one them, we just them mouth us water run down them mouth that drop in them shut them. Run off.
They run down.
Yes. You want them to want to fight with over Miss Birdie Bun. They want to see what they want to box out the bun.
They get vexed because the piece never come fast.
They want to box out the bun out of our mouth, but because when they on the phone, they can't box you out.
Right.
So they get frustrated. They're going to have thump them wall. You know what I mean? You know them people that will just have thump a wall because they can't thump with.
Yeah.
Then gone. Yes, God.
Yeah.
We're glad they're gone. So, this is how it's gonna work.
Oh, look like it froze.
It look like it froze per ear. Where move, guys? It a show we frozen pan this. Hold on there.
Oh.
Where move? I'm gonna tell where we move.
Where move?
Where statue up on my phone. Tell where we melt. We melt? Tell where we melt.
Just pop up. I don't know what happened. That's weird.
Take it to art and God.
Yes, moving.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, we're moving. We're not statue, right?
Speak my mind.
Speak my mind. Big up. Speak my mind. What a guan.
What go on with you?
What guan, King.
Pick
What
up
a
yourself.
guan. If you don't know about Speak My Mind, go check out Speak My Mind. He's over on YouTube and I think he's on Facebook too.
Yeah.
Big up. Great
Big up
contents. Yeah, man. And he's very creative. Yes? And he breaks down things to the T. I can't get enough of him. Sometimes I feel like if I comment too much, he might think I stalk him. Yeah, I don't want nobody come charge me for obsession. You know what I mean? I don't want nobody come lick me with no big stone. You know what I mean? When I go over them yard. Because me yes, I want big stone fling, you see, all the way over England.
Yes, man.
One big stone, one big rock stone.
One big boulder.
Bust out somebody jaw corner. What claims of them pretty on both sides. I wonder how they look now. Huh? Me yes, the big stone connect. Because we never did there the gate.
That's right.
We never did there the gate, people. And them escape in. Them escape in upon the premises. And the owner of the premises look through our window and spot her. And she run in her backyard, grab up a big stone, and seal it. And it connect right in her jaw corner.
And let me see what next one go flying over and lick it
a
right in
mango me I go use.
Let me see what next one go flying over and lick it right here in the center of her forehead.
A 2 mango you are going to use, Speak My Mind. A big stone reacher. So Speak My Mind, you have to go use a mango and lick out the next side. Because it coming like say one side still a work, you understand? She lick out one side, but coming like say one side still a work. Because a peer yap panny one side. You think say, yeah, a big stone we connect it a tip are quiet. But no. It popping on top, jump up. Me I tell you, it poppy. Embarrassment kill it poppy. Me I tell you. Yes. It's like, your feeling got hurt. Don't. Jesus. You're gone a people yard, gone trouble them. Me warn you not Sophia. Me warn you Sophia. But Sophia is just a mad somebody who won't listen. You understand?
So you have to take the big stone.
Me come and me sing gospel for you upon Sundays. Me talk the word of God for you take heed. Me give you all the indication them say that is a yard where you not ramp with. Yeah? You understand? The electric fence there will shock you. We are security there. You understand? So we know how it work.
We know.
You not take no telling. And you go jump the fence.
And your ears hard, bad.
You get shocked by the current in the gate and you still make your way over the fence. You understand? And a big stone reach you. Boom. Now, what are you on both sides? You're hurt on all sides.
All sides.
All sides. See?
Big man.
Just cry and get it over with. Just bawl. Just bawl. Yeah, we're not gonna judge you. Just bust out a ball. It will make you feel better. You understand?
It's alright.
Yeah. Because you not say nothing now what you need to say before. You understand? And she need to study you. You understand? You keep poking the bear. Until you poke the bear and the bear need a look. No, you take it by yourself and go jump over fence, gone into the woman yard, and big stone reach you.
Yeah.
And you want if you feel sorry for you.
When I feel sorry.
You understand?
When I feel sorry for you.
Me not understand you. Yeah? Me warn you over and over and you not take nothing.
I thought you did work, obviously.
Sophia, how you feel now, Sophia? You're feeling hurt up. Bad. You wash your baggy them yet, Sophia? She tell you if you go wash your baggy. You go wash your baggy them yet? You still a jump up on a chat? You wash your baggy them yet? Huh? You wash your baggy them crotch yet? Did you scour the baggy them yet?
We don't hear it.
We not hear no scrub. We not stay over here and hear no scrub. You understand? We want to hear some scrub. Yeah. We want to hear some scrub. So Shira, big up yourself.
So Shira, walk on.
Big up yourself. Yes. Speak my mind, me can't wait for you to break it down. You understand? Me can't wait for you to break it down. Because when you break down things, I'll sometimes drop on the ground. I peel off it, me go away. You understand? Yes, I peel off it. Then why it ring light make me look like say me white and then me go in a sun and get one deep tan. Look on it.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus help me. Yes. Dirty duty. What? Dirty scratch. What?
Dirty crutch.
Dirty crutch. Oh, dirty crutch. I wonder if you don't scour yet. If I'm me and you, Sophia, me sit down and scour for you rest of the year. You understand? Because everything, your laundry get thrown out there. It's like you're in a relationship with somebody and they just fling your clothes out the door in a suitcase in a middle of the street. You understand? Me tell you if you tap walk around and obsessed with people and you never believe me. Tappy. Now your outfit got insane. It'll drive you mad. You don't know what to do. We're going to pray for you. You hear? We're going to pray for you.
But you know, Chocolate, I think she'll be on prayer.
Me still have a prayer. God will answer prayer.
Yeah.
Because Sophia has suffered.
She is suffering. She has suffered bad.
She has suffered. Me tell you, say, a big errated stone. Chronic, you know, man. Me say, the owner of the yard line up a big stone perfectly in a bullseye. Right in a jawbone, he reach. Me I tell you, I'll know she a jump on a ball. Can't tap. It'll take her a while to get over this one.
Yeah, man, yes. You can't get over it.
No love fast with people.
She hurt bad.
When no fast with Uno. And that happen.
She big hurt.
Big hurt. Major hurt. Yes. Anyways, enough of that the mad somebody there. Sophia, enough of she. Yes, enough of she. Yeah. Enough of mad girl. I could hope so she did wash her baggy them. Yeah? Alright. So we bring back the sandals them guys. Right in the woman house. She go, yes! Bust down the grill. You understand? Jump over the fence. Bust down the grill and go right in a woman house. And you expect so you don't come out. Alright? You expect nothing that don't happen. You not hear which part you live. You expect to make it in there, so. Yeah? As a burglar. Right?
Right.
And make it out. Alright? That's a break-in. Yeah? You're lucky only that you get.
Breaking and entering.
Yes. You're lucky only that you get Sophia. She big mad. What? I know him mad. I know he had take him.
Yes, man.
You think sentence couldn't what you know?
You think say she did mad before, now she big mad.
He about to jump off a sentence. Uno go look. Somebody go look about her. Yeah? Go seek about her. If she did spend time with even one of her 3 baby father, she would have one now. But she spend all the time Yeah, the lady page. The obsession is real. What would possess somebody to go on someone's platform, yeah, to harass them? When you have a platform and can go on your platform and speak on whatever you see and want to speak on, what give you the right to go on someone's platform and provoke them? Huh?
And think you're going to get away with it.
Think you're going to get away with it. Huh? Yeah? Because you sit down over your platform and say all kind of things and the woman up here, you know, man. And you keep chatting and chatting. But you step out of bounds, girl. Mad woman, you cross the line.
Woman.
Mad girl, you cross the line. Yes, I'm glad a big stone connect. Yes. Yeah, man.
She get what she deserved.
She wasn't thinking. That's the thing, Norma. She wasn't thinking. They don't think. People that act like that way don't think. It's a crazy obsession. Because I don't see if me not wash my face, how does that affect your life? If me sit down here and me dirty, how that affect your life? Are you Mike that I'm sleeping with? You're not living in my house. How that affect your life?
Make no sense.
So if the woman they want to wash her face, how does that affect you? She no hold you there as hostage and tell you, say, you must have to watch me. Tell me, say, them people here have a life. Tell me, say, them people here have them 5 senses. Tell me.
You go over there. She never tell you for come.
Yeah.
She didn't invite you.
How does that affect you, how somebody look on their platform? When nobody hold you as hostage for you to sit down and watch them. Them not even know say you watch. If you not say something. How does that affect you? How does that affect your life? How does that affect you paying your bills? How does that affect you from progressing in life? If somebody want to come out here and them mouth think, how does that affect me? After I be a kiss them.
But my question is, you can smell the person mouth through the phone?
It's a sick obsession. You want to tell the woman what to do with her life. Who the hell are you? Are you her sister? Are you her child?
Are you her mother?
The woman know you? Who no think gonna be for one dictate to people what to do in them life? Yeah? If me want come out here every night and dress up, how does that affect you? Me not use your bathroom to take a shower. Me not wear your clothes. Huh? Me not put on your makeup. Me not put on your lipstick. How you not buy me clothes them? How does that affect you? I don't understand how these people think. That's why they're so stagnant. That's why they're not moving ahead in life, because the things that them need to focus on, they aren't focusing on those things. They're focusing on other people's lives. If me want to come out here and matter in me eye, how does that affect your life? How that prevent you from going to work? How that prevent you from cooking your meal? How that prevent you from spending time with your family? How does that affect you when I don't even know you?
Never seen you a day.
Never see you a day in my life. Not care if you see you a day in your life. How does that affect you? If me titty them big, I know you are suck them. How does that affect you? Huh? I know you have to lift them up and wash them. How does that affect you? The things... These people are mad. Me used to see mad people on the street at Jamaica. But them now reside on the internet.
Not for them.
You want to get up and tell a grown-ass woman who have lived her life for what? 50 years. Right? You want an adore thing and you want to come and dictate to her and tell her how she's supposed to live her life, what she's supposed to do. And she was making it before coming on social media. And her life, you know what I mean? She don't make the mistake. She didn't put her life in no danger. She had made it that far without knowing, without seeing any of you people. So why should she get up now and take advice from stranger what she don't know? Eh? That would be me being an idiot coming on here and have people dictate to me and tell me how to live my life. Chocolate, don't do life right there, so do life wrong there, sir. You gotta be kidding me.
Do life this way.
Don't wear a black shirt next time. Wear a pink. For who?
Wear your hair this way. Don't wear it that way.
Chocolate, now wear your wig and I put on your like a lipstick when you're ready. For who? For who? I don't know you people.
Your earrings are too big.
I don't know them people.
Earrings.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Why would I do that to appease anybody? Jealousy.
Yes. That's exactly
wanting to be in someone else's position when the position does not belong to you. Seek your own position in life.
She don't want no friend from you. She don't want no friend from you.
Her having a big platform, it's not a problem. But every sentence, it's used against her from you. So it is a problem. Anything you invest your time and continuously talk about, you care about it. It's a problem to you, else you wouldn't mention it. That's what you want. You don't have the personality for it. You don't have the it factor. Everybody have their own journey in a life. I know everybody have a big platform. Move along. You're not going to get it. You can't be her. As big and then name them what you call her. You wish you did big in her position. That's what it is. You're not happy with your little self and your pretty pan every side self. That's why you have to go to her platform. Because see, she don't care about you and your pretty pan both side self. That's why she don't even know who the hell you is. She not go on your platform.
She not look upon you.
Because she not care.
She not look upon you.
You're the one who cares. Get a life. Get a life. It's sweet, me, you say. Me say when the stone connect, it's sweet, me. Yes. Because on the things say, one can just bully people and get up all the time and come for people, and there won't be a breaking point when somebody say enough is enough. Enough of you out there go on with themselves, and soon get the enough is enough. First, you got to hear the talking. But one of these days, you know, really, I got to see the actions behind enough is enough. Take it from me. Take it from me. And if you don't want to take it, that's your problem. Anita,
welcome. Charlie.
I don't know how them people, they don't have nothing for doing in their life. Then get up and invest so much time in watching other people's business. Mighty God.
Instead of minding for them business.
It come like they get more hours in a day more than the rest of us. Because God knows sometimes I wish there were more hours in the day.
For real.
Forget things done that I need to get done.
Yes.
And it coming like them get more than 24 hours. Them get more hours than the rest of us. Trust me. Because I don't see who on earth I could sit down and study so every damn day.
Day in, day out.
Who is worthy of me getting up every day and just fixated my life on a person? No mental, me mental. Huh? No, sir. Me no sit, not even my husband. Me no get up every day and just up under like a damn deodorant. No, me love. Me need my space. Me need to be me. Me need to do me. Me need to do things without him. Then we do things together. Then you know what I'm saying?
Need to do
and him need to do his thing too.
Yeah.
Yes. No. Me can't live up under nobody like a damn deodorant. Sorry. Much less one stranger. Me just obsess up. No, sir. Nobody out there, nobody come obsessed with me, sir.
No, man.
Nobody with it. Nobody with it.
Don't do it.
Not do it. Anyways.
Anywho.
We bring back the slippers, them, and this is how it's gonna work. So let me show the slippers, them again. I'm gonna bring an extra one. This is the green one. This is the green. Right here.
They show better when you pull it back.
See? Brand new. Size 10. Right? See? Still have all the thing in it. So that's one. This is the first one that I showed. Remember this one? The eel. The gold eel. Lime green.
Pull it back a little bit. It shows better.
Can I just finish?
I'm just showing. I'm telling you from here.
Yeah. There it is. Brand new. Size 10. Alright. Here's the other one that I brought tonight. Let me just grab it real quick. This is pink. This is a Jessica Simpson. See, brand new. Can you see it, Vanilla, in the camera there?
Yeah, when you bring it back. Hold on, I have to wait for it to catch up. Now I can see it.
Okay.
On there.
On there. Oh, now they can see it. See?
Yeah, see? Look.
Oh, yeah. It's the light,
It's
guys,
the
so we
light.
gotta play with it so it can show. You understand? They're pink, perfect for the summer. Yeah. And I asked me why me have all them damn shoes and I wear them. Yeah, I may have more too, but I just feel like give away 3 now. Alright, so this is the pink size 10. They're all size 10. Vanilla has hers now.
Still, see they're in the box.
I don't think they saw that. You move it across. The lights, yeah. These are Michael Kors.
They're Michael Kors.
Yeah.
Size 7. I only wore them once. I only wore them once.
Yeah, those are our glitter boots.
They zip on the side.
Yeah.
Tie. In the front. I wore them once.
Let me see what I must say now.
These are size
Very
7.
fashionable. I can get that one.
These are size 7.
Size 7. And you know me, I have a Michael Kors bag for you. Man, I want time to pay me think about some stuff, yeah? People, I don't have the time and the energy to go through my closet. Trust me. I need somebody to come do it for me.
And like I said, I only wore those once. So.
Alright, so here it all works. You're gonna, anybody interested in getting one of these, you're gonna take a picture of your feet. I don't need to know your name, just your feet. And our husbands are gonna pick. Yeah, we're gonna have them pick the feet that they think would look the best in these. We're gonna have them pick just by your feet. We don't need to know your name, just your feet. They're gonna pick the winning feet. Then we show them on the live. We block out your number and we show the feet.
Yep.
That's how you're gonna win. That's it.
And you have to tell us which size.
And you just tell us the size. And that's it. That's all
That's
it takes.
it.
We're gonna have them pick the winning feet. That's it.
We'll be on Sunday to announce.
And we'll be on Sunday to announce
the winner. Yep.
Yes.
So a picture of your feet.
Just a picture of your feet. Don't tell me your name. I don't need to know your name.
We don't need to know your name.
And we don't need to know how long you've been watching me. We don't need an essay. Just your feet. We husband them. I go pick the winning feet.
And the size.
The feet and the size.
Yep.
And the color.
Yep.
And they gonna pick the winning feet.
They're gonna pick. Yep.
That's it. Go have them pick the winning feet. That's it. I don't know we love play a game already. I don't know we love play games already. Yes. I don't know we are ready. Yes. Shouldn't come as no surprise.
That's where you need to text it to.
There is the number for WhatsApp. WhatsApp only. Yes. Alright, we pin it. That's all you need to do. Take a picture of your feet. Send it to us. Husbands, they're going to pick the winning feet for these four pairs of shoes. Right?
Yeah.
4 of them. Alright? That's how we're going to work. And we're going to reveal the winner on Sunday.
Yep. We need to give them a time frame when they.
Oh, we need to get it by Saturday.
Yeah, I was thinking Saturday. Friday, so they could have time.
Yeah, okay, we'll have them go look at them.
You
on
have
Saturday.
Until Friday.
Yeah, we'll have a husband them look by them Saturday, and Sunday we'll show the picture of the winning
that way they
feet.
have a day to choose.
That's how we're going to do it. Yep. We'll have some fun. Yes. Yep. A full generosity. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Queen. Thank you. Oh, that's King. Calvin. Thank you, King. I'm sorry. There's a Leroy. There's a Leroy that we had called out on our platform for winning some credits, but he wasn't on the live. So Leroy, if you're watching, please call us. Please text us on WhatsApp. Reach out to us on WhatsApp, all right? Because I noticed that you had mentioned that you didn't get your credits. That's because you had came up you had to call. You left off the live, so you missed when we had tried to call you. All right, but we'll still give you some credits. Nationa, big up yourself, Fly Girl Georgia. What a go on. You always come up with something. I like that. Yes, it's just by the feet. Just the feet. Just the feet. Just the feet. That's it. That's all. Just the feet. That's what it's called. Decided over the feet. Just the feet. That's it. Yes. And we're gonna have a few Mother's Day giveaway for dinner for Mom. Okay. Yep. So that won't be until next week, in the next week. In the week next week. Because we want to do it close to Mother's Day as possible. We want to name off a Mother's Day sitting down to come talk about chocolate and vanilla. Never did give nothing for Mother's Day. Right. We don't want that. So we'll try hanging there till it closer to Mother's Day. So we're starting now, you know. Me know. Big up Nationa. Lois, bless up yourself. Suzette, bless up yourself. Ardette, bless up yourself, Ardette. How you doing, Queen? Yes, bless up yourself. Me not like oil light. Make me look. Yeah, it make me look weird. Yeah. But anyways, we're gonna buy one new ring light and stuff to fix this thing. Yeah. Cause the light keep going in and out. I don't know what we talk. The name of the Mother's Day same thing. Then come over here when a Mother's Day and I look on we like. So I go on with them. Huh? Cause we poil, oh no. We know. Yeah. Rosalie, well going, Queen. Love you too. Love you too, Rosalie. Big up yourself. So that's all we have for honor tonight. Yeah. So get the pictures going. Go and polish them toenails of yours. Scrub off the heel back them and just fix it up. Make it look presentable. Me don't want to go in there and see no can. I was going to sit there. Me don't want to see no can on top of your toe or come to me. Understand? Don't freak me out with no long nail over. You know what I mean? No. Not do all of that. Go and file it down nicely. Put on a little nail polish and make it look. You know what I mean? Yeah. Because them very picky when it comes to feet. Yes. So make sure your feet them look good. You understand? Yeah. Misty, big up yourself. Sandy K, what a go on.
Sunshine Queen says she wonder if her foot can fit in the picture.
Oh, then what kind of size you wear, Sunshine Queen? Make for your foot now go fit in that picture. I cannot manage. What kind of size?
Say zoom in.
Yeah, no, but wait. Maybe we have to put the two shoes together for one fit you then. Because if your foot can't fit in that picture, and what kind of size you wear? We don't have size over here to fit you. Eh? No, sir, I can't manage you. No, sir. What? No, me can't bother with it, no, queen. Oh, no funny bad. No, sir. Me I go do Cinderella, stepsister. There you go. That's the whole concept. Yes.
Yes.
Cinderella. Who's gonna be Cinderella? Who's gonna be the Cinderella?
Who's that lucky?
Who's that lucky lady?
Who's that lucky lady?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
What's lunchtime?
It must be at work.
Must be lunchtime.
Dinner.
You want
dinner time. Lunchtime, dinner time.
Lunchtime. You want a piece of my bun for your lunch?
And cheese.
And cheese. Good. That's what I used to say. Good. Yeah, when you picnic. Good. Oh, foot lunch with corn. Oh, we slow,
Woman.
Jesus, we slow. Bun and fish. Bun and fish is a share. Okay. Yeah, we don't want no corn.
No.
Yeah, we don't want no corn. We don't want no corn. We don't want to see no big old corn and sitting on bunion. Yeah?
Oh, lunchtime is size 12 slippers.
Chocolate and vanilla. Can you have a love connection, please, one of these nights? For I'm lonely for 16 years. I'm a Christian woman. Send me, you know somebody where want to be on love connection. I'm afraid to put him up. He's such a good guy though, and him not top beg me. He's a good guy. Yes. A couple of the ladies from here met him.
Yep.
Yes. So if me put him up, them all know him. Yes. Good guy. Me just afraid to put him on social media. Yeah. But if you connect with me offline, send me a picture. I'll send it to him and see if you're somebody. And show you into. See if he's your type. If you're his type. Yeah, but it's a good, nice guy. Friend of my husband for years.
Long time.
For years. So, but...
Then say lunchtime means size 12.
Oh, lunchtime. You don't have to teach me them things in a long time.
I don't know that.
A long time I left Jamaica, you know. Years now. I never hear that. Lunchtime means size 12. Okay, so my husband wear lunchtime. I'm going to use that pan him and see if we understand what I talk about. Want to teach me things them so I can use them. Pan him, you understand? Lunchtime. Come take up your lunchtime where your love left in front of the door. Come pick up your lunchtime. It's a good one.
Then say big for the lunchtime.
Come pick up your lunchtime. You're going to make me trip over your lunchtime. How much time if I tell you if you move your lunchtime? Me like it. I like it. You can use it on Clifford too. Lunchtime. When I have none for dinner time, what dinner time? So I'm going lunch.
What a breakfast?
What I'm going lunch? Men always love
nice
feet. Yes.
True man.
Yes. Them have a thing. My husband love nice feet. Yes. I have to get these baby done every 2 weeks. Yeah, I love nice feet. Well, without him, me love nice feet too. Yeah. I love when them feel good. And smooth. You're funny, chocolate and vanilla.
Can't have crack up.
Here, yeah, crack up feet. Then used to crack up one time and I have no choice but for walk, barefoot, you understand? Yeah. The girl did poor. You understand? Yeah. Girl did poor off a beat it barefoot, you understand? And then get crack up sometimes. You understand? But me didn't care. I know nothing about no manicure or no pedicure. All my nose, let me just rub them down the best way I can, you know, with a washing brush. You understand? Yeah, washing brush didn't do it. Yeah, I mean, I know so you're supposed to have one grater sitting for grate it off, yeah? And sitting for smooth it down. I didn't know all of that. No, like, no, I didn't know none of that. I just use a washing brush. And washing brush just get in a little crack them for meantime and take out a little red dirt out of it. But other than that, I just rub some Vaseline on you. You go about your business. I didn't care about no smooth heel or nothing like that.
I never used to think about them sitting when I was a young girl. I mean, we never walk barefoot on red dirt, but...
Well, to God be the glory. May I tell you, so me used to do it till all... Behind on a tour, I'll split. You know what I mean? For a wingworm. When I get a little split behind on a toe. When I walk barefoot. When me a little girl, me get it split behind my toe. I'm walking in a dirty water. You understand? Yeah. And me alone come from country. And me alone used to walk barefoot. Eh? Remember a little split behind my toe. You understand? Sometimes y'all buck your toe. That blowout hurt, you know, man. When you buck your toe, Jesus Christ. You like you want to piece up yourself. You ever buck your toe? Pan all a big stone? Murder.
Yes, pop toe.
Yeah, pop toe. Me get pop toe. No mention that. And your big toe buck off. Oh my God, yes. And one time a big toe buck off, then used to take a green banana and crepe it and put like a cursing oil on it and tie with piece of cloth. Or then me have this this dressing where used to be purple. That shit coming like it was staying and your toe stay purple for a very long time. When you put it on it. Yes, vanilla. When Esther was broke. Yes, man. It purple medicine. Anybody know about the purple medicine there? Wanna know what me talk about? Yes,
hey,
man.
Rose.
Hi, Rose Reynolds. Pick up yourself. Yes, man.
Purple
a purple lotion in him, it sure as hell they feel like no lotion. It more coming like a dye. You know what I mean? But when they put that by your toe, yeah, tie a thread around it too. Yes, man, I put a piece of cloth and tie up that. Yes.
Tie it up?
Tie up. And it heal. It heal.
Oh.
Forget it better.
Oh.
Bush doctor thing. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, when they fancy enough for run go to the hospital and have them stitch it up like humus vanilla. No, so we have to put some cursing oil and some green banana. You understand? Yes. Or some purple lotion.
Violet?
Yeah. Yes, purple dressing. And it break out it break out your cut. And what you say? Purple dressing. Same so I go. Me not lie. I said so I go. You understand? Because sometimes...
Or you get a capsule open.
Yes, they're open the capsule and pour it in it. Yes, man. And then wash everything with Dettol. Because I'm have to wash it with Dettol. And Dettol strong, you know, man.
Dettol, no, that they use for clean.
Dettol can...
Yeah.
Then if you clean the sore. If you clean the sore too, you know. Not clean it. If you clean it. I don't only clean alone. What's
broomweed?
Broomweed. I don't remember about the broomweed, but I remember about the Dettol. Dettol, I have to wash it off with Dettol. Yeah, I have to wash it off with Dettol. And you know when pink time woman have baby back in the days, because it place just stink of Dettol. Why do I have to use so much Dettol? I want to do with the Dettol. I want to put Dettol, man. I remember when big woman in our neighborhood have baby and I go visit them, it place just smell up a Dettol. Just Dettol. You just know someone baby born Dettol. Yeah. Marcia Grant, wake up yourself.
Fresh cut flowers is tree.
Oh, fresh. Yes.
Iodine for cuts.
Iodine for cuts. Huh.
And that made it do. Iodine.
Well, I didn't know no iodine. I knew purple lotion.
Carbolic
and I knew green banana with some kerosene oil on it tied around my big toe. Yes, and I up for days. You understand? And I was in so much pain that I couldn't go to school. You know what I mean? I had to stay home because I can't wear no shoes. My big toe's gone. Yeah.
It gone or hurt?
So, anybody ever get measles? I would them use and bathe you when you get measles again. Tambourine. We have the tambourine bush. Yeah, for measles. And when you get pink eye, them use the water off of the cocoa leaf for you wash your face. And them say a little pee-pee. You understand? You can wash your eyes with a little pee-pee. So if you ever get pink eye, Vanilla, there's no need to run to the doctor. A little bit of your piss will clear up the eyes for you. Man. You don't need to use no Visine either.
No, man.
A little pee-pee. You understand? Just
flush
your eyes with a little piss. Why not?
No.
Yeah, if you get pink eye, I have the solution. A little bit of piss, Vanilla, and it'll take care of it.
We'll try it out.
A little bit of piss, Vanilla. What is a little bit of piss? It's your piss. Why? It's not like it's my piss. You're supposed to use your own piss.
For weasels.
Warm salt water.
Tambourine.
And they use Gillette. Pick up yourself. And they use a next one named Savlon. Boy, they gone left me.
Banana for
finial. Oh, a finial like banana with the kerosene oil. Me mix it up. Because me used to get joke with nail, so you know. So maybe that. The nail thing. Let me use the banana for. Me probably get it mixed up. Banana for nail. Me don't know, but me know so then use green banana, then crepey banana, put kerosene oil on it, then tie it on wherever you me have it cut. You understand? A piece of whole cloth. Yeah?
Cocoa bush. What?
Alwyn. Cocoa bush.
Good
for the itching. Oh, a tambourine bush. Let me use one time me have measles. Tambourine bush. Yeah. I got pink eye and my mom
nail
used
and bottle splinter.
See, Fly Girl, and you're still alive. Look what Fly Girl say. When she have pink eye, her mother use a little bit of pee-pee. And it get it better. So next time you have a little pink eye.
When I get pink eye.
Well, maybe that's a tell you in the future. If you get a little pink eye, all you need to do is squirt out a little piss and splash your eyes. And you'll be better.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, just do that. You know what I mean? It's better than you, it's better than Visine. Don't people? It's better than Visine.
Breast milk.
Yeah, breast milk. Breast milk for what?
Pink eyes.
Oh, well, I don't know where I go get breast milk. Huh. No, I don't know about that. You better you go with the piss. Everybody have piss. Yeah, I don't know about
sea water for pink eye.
Dubai style. Dubai style? What you say? What Dubai style? Sunshine? Me can't bother.
For nail joke.
Oh, for nail joke.
No, she say
yes, a warm shoes polish.
For nail joke.
Jesus God, enough medicine I have, man. Enough medicine I have. Some of them I never hear about before. You know what I mean? So instead of my mother did just stick with the banana and the kerosene oil, there were others out there. And them use the capsule. Open the capsule and pour it into the sore.
Tambourine bush for measles, pee for pink eye, and banana and kerosene oil.
So when on a picnic I used to get cut, right? And you know, and it scab up. You know ever peel off a scab and near me? Huh?
What?
What?
This?
Well,
fungus or
whitlow
and fingers stick up your vagina.
What?
No, sir. We can't manage it.
Fungus or will and finger and stick up your vagina. Well, I some conversation are going in here, sir, where we don't know about. We're going to go on like when I say, yes, I heard about this. What I heard about? No, me not heard about peeling off the skin off I sore and sit down near me. You not hear about that? Or when you not picnic on the nose I run, or you not suck down your mucus in our mouth, or not stop going, it can't grow up. And when you see like a picnic, them I do it now. Stop act like it gross. Cause you used to do it when you not like a picnic. Yeah, suck down your nose not. Like say a syrup I come out on the nose. And eat it and swallow it. And stop it. Yeah, and stop it. And used to do it when I like a picnic. Yeah, and sit down and pick off his scab. Anyone have a little cut. I want to sit down and pick it off. And so when I look around now, And when nobody now look on the just put in her mouth and see now, a chaw up. You're on a nasty. 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 Yeah. Patricia Darknell, pick up yourself.
Nation has said chocolate, keep your king quiet.
A true nation, and you probably used to do it too. Yes. And you have your nose not to run down before you get up, go blow your nose. No, you sit down there. And suck down your nose not. Oh no, what's some nasty little picnic? No, nasty. Oh no, the damn nasty. Yeah.
You go eating booger.
On a name all on a booger. Take you out as soon as I look around you. Take out the booger as soon as I look around you. And nobody now look at her. Pushy booger on another mouth. Nasty. And now someone will grow up and I go like on a stush. Booger eating. Booger. Yes. Booger eating.
Booger.
Yes. Scab eating. Booger eating. And so now going all preppy. That is nasty. Like a girl, go blow your nose and okay, like a picnic steer. Fear time for suck down your nose not. Yeah. Now for them, now I get no more kiss. Of all loud childhood days chocolate. I tell you, man. And me with my little granddaughter now, she have a cold and me see her run down. You want to see me a run, go wipe it. You know what, to pick the drinking nose not. And me, when me a pick me just to sit down and suck it down. Just like nothing on now. I can go on. We're big now. You go down memory lane, yes. Definitely, you gotta remember where you're coming from in order to.
Kids do that up here too. Boogers.
Yeah. The kids them not eating a booger, man.
Yes.
Them not eating booger right. Foreign treatment not eating booger right. Them not eating booger. Yeah, even if they eat booger, they're not eating booger right. That's what me I try to tell you.
How you eat booger right?
There's a way of eating booger. You understand? Yeah.
Why you eat booger?
You understand? You not eat it, so it don't make no sense, me tell you. Yes, but then they have to eat. There's a way. There's a special way.
There's no special way to eat
the
booger.
Yeah,
There's no special way to eat no booger.
Well, if you never eat booger, how you gonna know? Yeah? How you gonna know? There's a special way. Don't you like there's a special way of eating the booger? You understand? Yeah. We put style in everything. You understand?
There ain't no special way to eat
we
no booger.
have to show you Jamaican style of eating booger.
I don't want to see it. I don't want to see that. You can keep that to yourself.
I can't manage. Madela, I teach you everything you don't want me to teach you.
No, you can
booger.
keep that. So she had to suck out the cold out of her grandson.
Aye, yes, yes. Suck out the cold out of him nose. Of course, you're not going to see child there suffocate, have a hard time breathing. Why not? Suck you out. Yeah, if you can't get up and a suck big man and big woman, what is a little mucus out of your grandson nose to suck out? That's nothing. That's not nothing. Piece of cake. Yeah. No, sir, my stomach not strong at all. You near me, booger. Me not talk about now. Your stomach is strong back then, nation. It's not strong now. Yeah. That's why when you eat, when you're eating booger back then, your stomach could tolerate it.
That's why your stomach is strong no more, because you used to eat the booger.
Yeah, sir. Of course your stomach not strong now. Huh? It is strong when you pick me like a lion. Yes, man. Your stomach is strong like a lion. Yes, you understand? I suck down your nose not and I near me booger. You understand? I know we're not strong. You're not strong no
salt?
more.
What salt? Booger? Booger
Yeah,
salt?
Why don't you try your booger?
No, I don't want
and you will know if it's salt. Why you want me to tell you whether
no,
it's salt or refresh?
Somebody said it's salt.
Ask Nation. Nation is salt or it fresh? I could ask them because them a booger eating, you know. Anisha, when you used to eat a booger, it's salt or fresh?
Yvette.
It's Yvette say salt. Thank you, Yvette, for being honest. I mean, no,
She said yes.
I mean, no, say no, Uncle me, Yvette in here used to eat a booger when we had like a picnic.
Anisha say salt.
Anisha eat it too. Go on, big up the booger eating crew. Big up on yourself. Yeah.
The booger eating crew.
The booger eating crew when we were kids. Big up all the booger eating people them in a life. Understand? Big up on yourself. Yes. Big up the scab eating people them when you're picnic you used to eat up a scab.
You shouldn't say
big
she
up
didn't do
yourself.
it.
Yeah, big up
You
yourself.
say she tasted.
Oh, you taste it. Yeah. Big up. Yes. That's why I grew up so strong and brave and confident. A booger. Yes, I eat do that too. Yes, lad.
So how did she that strong and she say she never eat it?
That's why nation are weak. Oh, nation
I want salt.
Oh yes, I water.
Me know that, yes. Me know
So you're willing to drink your water
well,
than you
when
eat
you
piece of
pray,
booger?
they run down in your nose and in your mouth.
So why you there wipe you off? Thirsty?
I guess.
Oh. She drink her yai water, but she eat her like a booger. And I bet you when you're a big woman, you taste your yai water, huh?
No.
When you lick you taste your yai water. So why you should just go for the booger too? You know what I mean? That's a nice combination, you know. Yai water and booger.
We used to make mud pies and we'd eat it.
Tashi, pick up yourself.
I ate mud.
Pick up yourself, Tashi. Yes. That's a good combination. That's
mud.
You eat the booger and then you know, wash it down with some eye water. You know when it was not nice when you're picnic? When you're a ball. Don't. At that time you get a whole heap. When you're a ball and you have a cold. And you're a ball and you're there. You know? You get a good whooping. You know what I mean? And it a run up.
I see, or they say the booger crew large.
Yeah. Because people are crew. You don't know what I'm talking about. When you picnic and you get a nice whooping, you know what I mean? And you're a ball. At that time, he knows that. At that time, he knows not that come down like river. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean? Yeah. And one of them lick the way you know what I mean? You have a shorter breath, you know what I mean?
And you're hyperventilate?
Yeah, hyperventilate, yeah, man. Yeah. You never get them no beaten like that, I forgot. Once somebody if you sit down side of me will get beaten.
Me get beaten,
we know what me talk about.
But
you feel beaten and go in a corner, man.
No.
Yeah, you don't get no beaten.
No, lick with
what? Spoon. When I fling a spoon off you, I got all plastic spoon.
No, a big spoon you use for
I don't know what I'm talking about. Good all one big plastic spoon. You understand?
Bell.
What you know about beating?
You get bell.
Yeah.
You whip with belt.
When my daughter got cold and stuffy, I do the same thing. What you do? What you do, fly girl? Oh, you suck out you know? Yes! Yes, and nothing wrong with that. I mean, if you can suck for your own so much when you're picnic, and that's why you're no problem for we do enough. For we kids them stuff up with just 1, 2, 3 and suck it out. Cause we used to it. I mean, we have enough of our own, so we know it tastes already. You understand? Yeah, not a big deal. It prepare you. Yeah, it prepare you for the future. No? Yeah, it prepare you. Yeah, prepare you for the future. Yes, chocolate. The whole face. Nasty. Yeah, your whole face, when you get a beating or you're a ball for something, your whole face, at that time, it was not just spew out, you know, all the way around. And you're not get to go wipe it. You know your temper. Yeah. And you need something to calm you down, and it help calm you down, don't?
It help calm you?
Help calm you down.
Mm-hmm. You know it's not them?
Yeah, no it's not, yeah. Everything I come out with, you're not making no waste, you know what I mean? Willful waste bring mournful wants. You know, make you waste, yeah. Yeah, willful waste bring mournful wants, yeah, and I make you waste. Big up on yourself. we sit down and chat enough foolishness. Yes, bless upon yourself. Thank you guys for coming seeing about us. Again, yes, remember to send us some pictures of your feet. Husband's going to choose the feet. Right? And remember, if you're not try the Birdie Bun, make sure you try it.
Make sure
delicious.
you try it. It's good.
Yes.
Nice and
I hope them have the order over where the
Jamrock Goodies.
Jamrock Goodies. She know our number. Send with the bill. Yes. And send away Miss Birdie products. Yes. Have a wonderful night, guys. We'll see you back on the weekend. Oh, we're supposed to come before the weekend.
Yes.
All right, big up on yourself. But if we don't hold it against we. You know, so we're busy, right? We try our best, yes? All right, we try our best. But we definitely come on Sunday to announce, do we praise and worship and announce the winner of the Sandals.
Yes.
All right, the winners. It's going to be more than one. All right, rest upon yourself. Have a wonderful and fabulous rest of your evening, morning, whatever
day,
time
whatever
it is for you. All right, big up on yourself.
Big up yourself. Take care.
Love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Bless up on yourself.
Yes. Take care.
Yeah, I want to make it sit down and talk all kind of nastiness tonight. I want to force me to talk them nastiness there. I want to come up strong. Good night.
Good night, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.